Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm reviewing an app called Finelo. Finelo is designed to help people learn, practice, and eventually build confidence in investing, trading, and crypto. I'll spend some time exploring its features, and in this video, I'll break down what I like, what stood out for me, and how I think it could be useful to anyone trying to get better at finance, especially those who are trying to learn investment, trading, and also learn the steps on how you can trade in crypto. One of the biggest strengths of Finelo is its learning pathways. Inside Finelo, you will find that Finelo is involved in investments, trading. They talk about wealth growth, personal finance, and so on. I also noticed that when you use Finelo's app, you will find structured courses that cover investing, trading, and also cover crypto. The content is bit sized, easy to follow, and it doesn't even overwhelm you with too much of jargons you find elsewhere. Another thing I found very interesting is the audio lessons. A lot of people prefer learning on the go. So when you're on the go, you can actually use the app. So you listen to the audio and you listen to the lessons through audio. For me, that flexibility makes the app feel much more user friendly. The second feature that really caught my attention is the stock and crypto simulator. This is a game changer for beginners because it lets you practice trading in real time market conditions but without risking actual money. What happens with Finelo is that they give you paper money for you to practice with. So this actually makes you comfortable and makes you relax while practicing how to trade. Because of this, which is a very smart move, when you lose in the simulator, you don't actually lose real money. Then Finelo itself doesn't just leave you hanging when you lose, it gives you simulated guidance and mini lessons on what went wrong and how to handle it. That's a really practical way to learn. Look, let's be honest. In real trading, losses happen. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that in trading you're going to win 100%. You will lose sometimes. A lot of people even lose most of the time. But taking advantage of what Finelo has given, it gives you that ability to learn your trading, to also learn how to risk management, because risk management in trading is very, very important. So you can go through these lessons in Finelo. So if you agree with me, having an app that can actually take you step by step through this process is a deal that is incredibly valuable. All right, talking from my experience, I think from looking at the app and going through it, I've used it quite a while now, and I've found out that the app is very clean, it's easy to use. The lessons are actually very easy to follow. You can actually go through the lessons. Every lesson, at the end of the lesson, it has a quiz. When you go through the quiz, you'll be able to respond to questions based on the lessons that you have taken, which makes it perfect for those that are actually interested in learning better. Another beautiful thing that I have to give to them is the simulator. When you add the simulator with the lessons, this combo it makes mistake a learning opportunity. Instead of just a setback, you feel like you've learned something because, you're not even trading with real money. You're just going ahead to trade with paper money. But on the flip side, this is something I would like you guys to bear in mind. All right. This is something I would like you to bear in mind. With every financial tool, all right, with every finance tool is only as good as the effort you put in. You have to put in the work. Do you understand? It's not a get rich quick shortcut. Finelo is not a get rich quick shortcut. It's a learning platform. You will need consistency and practice to actually benefit from what it teaches. And Finelo actually charges as well. So, mind you, when you go through the process of registration, you'll be given a free trial, which you will not be charged after the trial period is over. So, I need you guys to actually watch out for that so that you don't confuse yourselves. Okay. Now, in everything overall, I think Finelo is a really solid app for anyone who wants to start learning finance in a structured but, hands-on way. Whether you're completely new to investing or you're completely new to crypto or you have dabbled a little bit in crypto but want more confidence, Finelo gives you the tools to practice safely, the tools you can use in making yourself more advanced in what you're trying to do, and this helps you practice longer, practice more, get more confidence before putting real money at risk. So I will say to you, if you're serious about learning how to trade, forex, crypto, and all that, and also investing, then definitely Finelo is worth checking out. Now, if you like this video and you're looking forward to more honest reviews, I will expect you to actually subscribe, hit the notification button, and Give me a comment. Let me know the next video you want me to make. And I'll see you in the next video.